Automatic edge tracking cutting machine. Open the Rueda ACS cutting software and uncheck/disable feature compensation. Select the edge finding mode to automatically scan and identify the contour/edges. Select cutting/layer. The parameters are set to factory defaults and do not need to be modified. Click Apply. Click Controller and select Normal Cutting to begin. The integrated vision system automatically recognizes printed patterns and tracks edges, allowing the cutting process to follow the design accurately. Automatically detects printed patterns and tracks fabric edges, ensuring accurate cutting even after heat transfer and fabric distortion. Once cutting is finished, the conveyor automatically feeds the fabric into the collection unit for a seamless, continuous workflow. Flawless precision for intricate designs, ensuring clean and refined edges even on the most complex patterns. Designed specifically for sublimation printed fabrics, significantly boosting overall workflow efficiency.